Monday, great day, Math learners! Welcome to Mathematics LD channel, where we turn your math worry into mastery. I am Teacher Lai, and together, let us have fun while learning. Are you ready to think sharper, solve better, and lead the world of numbers? Then, let's begin and make math mastery happen. Today, we will discuss how we can illustrate combinations of objects. But before that, allow me to introduce our learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to first explain how to illustrate the combination of objects using different methods. Second, list or create all possible combination of objects. And third, show appreciation and enjoyment of solving real-life problems using combinations. Before we proceed to our discussion, let us first have an engaging activity entitled Build Your Sunday Challenge. For this activity, first, I will show 4 ice cream flavors on the screen. Have you already seen the flavors? If yes, can you tell me what flavors you have seen? Very good. But why do I feel like you want ice cream already? Later, you can have it after our discussion. But back to our flavors. As you can see, we have chocolate, ube, oops, that is not avocado, that is matcha, and last is strawberry. Now that we have ice cream flavors, imagine that you are now hired as the new Sunday designer for an ice cream shop. Today, the shop is launching a special promo, and customers can create their own 2-flavor sundae combo from the available colors, which are chocolate, ube, matcha, and strawberry. In preparing the shop's menu, you need to list all 2-flavor combinations you can offer. What are the possible combinations you can offer? I will give you 1 minute to do so. Remember that each sundae must have at least 2 flavors. An example is the combination of chocolate and ube. Are you ready? You can start creating your combination of ice cream flavors now! Alright, 1 minute is done. Now that you have already have your own combination of flavors, let me ask you something. You pick chocolate. How many flavors can chocolate be brewed with? Try to count them. You can put your answer in our comment section. How about if you combine matcha and strawberry? Is that same with strawberry and matcha? If your answer is yes, then you are correct. Because here, we only care about the flavors included and not the order. And that idea fits to our lesson today, which is combination. To activate your knowledge, let me ask you something. Have you ever heard of combination? If not, don't worry. Because when we say combination, we are talking about the selection of objects or items where the order does not matter. We just simply choose and not arrange. Let me give you an example. Imagine you want to make a sundae with 2 flavors out of 4 flavors we have, which are chocolate, ube, matcha, and strawberry. If you choose chocolate and ube, it doesn't matter if you choose chocolate and ube or ube and chocolate. It is still the same sundae, isn't it? And that's the main idea behind combinations, where we only care about what is included and not the order. Did you get it? We In order for you to find the possible combinations of objects, there are three simplest ways we have. First is the listing method. Second is the formula with factorials or using the factorials. And then, shortcut formula without using the factorials. For the listing method, this is the easiest way. You just simply write down all possible pairs. For example, since I asked you to create two combinations of four flavor ice cream. With that, in the listing method, here are the possible combinations you can list. The combinations of chocolate and ube, chocolate and matcha, chocolate and strawberry, ube and matcha, ube and strawberry, and matcha and strawberry. Therefore, we have 6 different pairs of flavors we can combine. In this way, you can see all the combinations clearly without missing any. But the advantage of this method is that it is time consuming if there are many objects that need to combine. Are we clear about this method? Very good. For our second method is the formula with the factorial or using the factorial. This is a mathematical method. If we have n objects and want to choose r objects, we use the formula. The combination of n and r is equal to n factorial over r factorial multiplied by the n minus r factorial, where n factorial is the factorial of the total number of items, r factorials are the factorial of the numbers of items you are choosing, and n minus r factorial is the factorial of the difference between total items and chosen items. Let's try our example earlier. To find the number of ways to choose two items from 4, we use the combination formula. Here, n is 4 and r is 2. By substitution, we will have 4 factorial over 2 factorial multiplied by 4 minus 2 factorial. By subtracting 4 minus 2, we get 2 factorial. Next, we calculate 4 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 24. Then we calculate 2 factorial, which equals to 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Multiplying the 2 factorials in the denominator, which is 2 times 2, is equals to 4. Finally, dividing 24 by 4, then we will have 6. Therefore, we have 6 different pairs of flavors we can combine. With that, we arrive at the same answers using the listing method. And lastly, for our third method is the formula without using factorial. Instead of finding the factorial of each number, you are just going to substitute the number easily. And through that, you can easily find the combinations of objects. Here is the formula. The combination of n and r is equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 over r, where n is the total number of items, n minus 1 is 1 less than the total items, and r is the number of items you are choosing. Let's try it. Same as earlier, n is 4 and 2 is our r. With substitution, then we will have 4 multiplied by 4 minus 1 over 2. And by subtracting 4 minus 1, then we will have 4 times 3 over 2. And by multiplying 4 times 3, then we will have 2 and we'll just copy the denominator, which is 2. And by dividing 12 over 2, then we will have 6. Therefore, we have 6 different pairs of flavors we can combine. Isn't it amazing? Using the 3 methods, we all arrive at the same number of combinations for our Sunday challenge, which is 6. Now, are you ready to try on your own? Let's test your understanding now. I will present 3 problems. Pause the video and try to solve each problem before I show the answer. After solving, you can put your final answer in our comment section. In solving, you are able to use any method you like, either listing method, formula using factorial, or the shortcut one, as long as you arrive at the correct answer. So, are you ready? Okay, you may now answer these problems. Very good. So here are the answers. I know that you get it. How many correct answers did you get? I think with that, you deserve an ice cream. Very good, math leaders. And that's it. I hope you enjoy and learn a lot from our discussion today. Before I end, I want to give you a gentle reminder that life is about making choices, and every choice creates a new combinations of possibilities. Meaning to say that in life, just like in mathematics, the choices we make create a different possibilities and opportunities. Every decision, no matter how small, can lead to a new experiences, new learning, and new paths. So, remember to think carefully and explore your options. Be confident in making your choices, whether it's solving problems, choosing clothes, making your favorite ice cream, or forming a team. Every combination you create is a chance to learn and grow. It was such a pleasure being with you today. Once again, I am Teacher Lai, and I am glad to spend this time together learning about combinations in a fun and real-life way. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and never stop discovering new ways to see the world around you. Until next time, keep learning